Here in this video, we are going to discuss the last question of the exercise 13.7 surface area and volume chapter. So here a heap of wheat is in the form of cone whose diameter is 10.5 and height is 3 meters. So if diameter is 10.5, R will be equal to 10.5 by 2 meters and H is equal to 3. So we can directly use volumes formula, right? 1 by 3 pi R square H. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into R square means 10 by 5. 10.5 by 2 into 10.5 by 2 into H, that means 3. So that this 3 and this 3 get cancelled and this 7 and this get cancelled, it will be 1.5. Now this 2 and this 2 get cancelled 11 times. This 2 will go 1 time in 11, 2 will go 5.5 times, right? And 5.5 into 15, 5.5 into 15 gives you 25, then 27, 5, 5. So 5, 12, then 825. So 825, when we put the decimal point, it will be 2 digit after decimal point, right? So 8.25. Then that into, so this 2 we multiplied, this 2 we multiplied. Now we have to multiply it with 10.5. So 10.5, when we multiply 8.25 into 10.5. So ignore the decimal point and multiply. After that we'll put, so 25, then 12, 41, 0, 0, 0. Then it will be the same, like 5, 2, 8, right? So 5, 2, 6, 6, 8. So after the decimal point in the question, here 2 digit, here 2 digit. So in the answer also 2 plus 2, 4 digits should be there. So it will be 8.6. Sorry, it is 10.5. So after the question, it is 3 digit after decimal point. So the answer will be 86.625. So we got that is in the this is volume. So volume means meter cube. So always be careful with the unit. So what we did, we just substituted and found. So now this part is really very easy. Just we have to substitute what all things are. We have to find out of diameter and we have to substitute here. That is pretty easy. But the next part, they are asking us the heap to be covered by a canvas, and we have to find the surface area, the curved surface area of the canvas. So we have to find the curved surface area. So finding curved surface area, we need L, right? So finding L, that is our work now. So for that we can use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, so here L square will be equal to H square plus what? R square, right? So it will be H square is equal to H means 3 square plus 10.5 by 2 the whole square. That means 9 square plus this will be 5.25 the whole square. So 9 square, that is, sorry, not 9 square, the 3 square plus 3 square, that is 9. 9 plus what is 5.5 square? That will be 27.5625. Then when you add 9 to that, you will get 36.5625. Now this is L square. Now we have to find L. What is L? L means the square root of 36.5625. So this is the difficult thing in this question. Now we have to find the square root of, so L square I'm writing here. We will be doing this, how to find the square root. Okay, so 5625. So let us wrap this part with the calculations. Be careful and listen very carefully how to find the square root of a decimal number. Okay, so here what we have to do is that we have to put this in the inside 36.5625. Now you have to list out all the perfect squares. Perfect square, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 1 square is 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square, that is 36, 7 square, that is 49. Now we listed squares. Then you see which number square. So 36 when you will get when you square 6. So you can put 6 here, 6 here. So 6 into 6, that is 36. So first part that is done. But you have to pair this before that. So when you pair from the whole number part, you can pair like this. When you pair the decimal part, you have to start pairing from this side. So 1, this is a pair and this is a pair. So when you take the numbers, you have to take as a pair, not a single digit. Okay. So 36, then it will be 0. Then what is next is that you have to double this number. So 6 you have to double, then it will be 12. Then you have to find a number. So 12, then one number into the same number will give you 56. You have to put this pair down, it will give you 56. So 56, when you put one number, the digit 1 itself, it will be 121. So you will not be getting a number if you put a non-zero number. So it will be 0. So you have to put 0, but you touch this part. So that means you have to put decimal point, then put 0. So when you put 0, it will be 0 here. Then next step, you have to double the 0. So when you double the 0, it will be same only. Then you have to fill this dash. This dash means you have to find a number such that it will be exactly equal to or less than which number is 25. Put it down, it will become 5625. So you have to get 2120, then a dash into a same number which will be equal to 5625 or less than 5625. So we can try with the number 4 now. So 4 fours are 16, then 8, then 4. We got a number which is less than this. Okay, we will try with 5 also. When we try with 5, 1 2 0 5 into 5, when we do 25, then 10, then 6. It is exceeding, right? So 5 can't be that number. So we have to take which number? We have to take 4. So it will be 4. So 4 here, then it will be 4 8 1 6. Then when you minus, you will get here it as 9, then 0, then 8. So 809. Then when you have to, then 809. So now you have to put the number down. There is no number down, so you have to put a pair of 0, not only 1 0, 2 zeros. You have to put it down. Now what is next? You tell me. It will be the same number. You will write 1 2 0. Then this 4 you will double it. 4 doubling 8. Then you have to fill a dash such that that dash will give the same number when you multiply. So like 1 2 0 8, then a dash into a dash gives you this number or less than this number, right? So this dash we can fill with which number? 6. Let me try 6 36. Then this will be 48 plus 3, 48 plus 3 will be 51, then 12 7. So I got a number which is less than this. Then what we can do, we can try to confirm, we can try with 7 also. 1 2 0 8 7 into 7 we can try. 49 4, 56 plus 4 60, then 14, then 8. It is exceeding, right? So we cannot choose 7. We have to choose a number which is less than that or equal to that. So we have to choose 6. So you will be getting 6, then you will get 7 2 5 1 6. So now we got till 3 digits, right? So that is enough. We can stop it here. We can write the square root of this as L is equal to 6.0. We can round it. 4 6 we can round to 0.06.05. So I have rounded to 2 decimal places. So L we got as 6.05. So what we have done is that is long division method of finding the square root. We first pair this, then after pairing we listed out all the square roots, then perfect squares, perfect square. So which pair is matching for this, that square root we have written here. 6 into 6, then that 6 we doubled for next time, and here that was a special condition. Here no digit, non-zero digit was apt for this, so that I put 0, then 0, then next one 0 doubled, doubling 0 will be same. Then next we have to find a number such that when you multiply that with that number will give equal to this 5625 or less than. So we got less than, and it's going continuously. If it is a perfect square root, you will be getting the exact number, but it is not a perfect square, so we cannot get it. So now we rounded our number. L we got 6.05. So now we got L. So L we got as, we are taking L as 6.05. Now we can find the this one, no, what, curved surface area. So curved surface area equal to CSA equal to pi RL. Pi RL means 22 by 7 into R. R is equal to 10.5 by 2 into pi RL. L we found, that is 6.05. Now we can cut the common factors. Here 2 will go in 11 to 12, 22 to 11 times. 7 you can cut, 7 will go 1.5 times. So there is no denominator, numerator only we have to find, right? So 11, 1.5 into 11, you will get it as 5, 6, 1. So decimal, after the decimal point 1 digit, so 16.5, then 16.5 into 6.05. So that calculation, I'm dropping this part. So calculation, when you do, be careful and do, okay? So 6.05 into 16.5. So here 5 into 5, 25, then 6 into, so that will be 30, right? Then 5 into 6, 30, 6 into 6, 36. Then the same number, 5, 0, 6. Then 5, 2, 8, 9, 9. Now we have to put the decimal point here. After the decimal point 2 digit, here after the decimal point 1 digit. So total 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 times we have to jump. So the answer is 99.825, and this is in meter, right? So the area will be meter square. So what we have done, first we found the volume. After finding the volume, they asked a surface area, curved surface area. For that we found L we found using Pythagoras theorem. Then after that we have to use long division method for the square root of L square. Then we have taken, we took the approximate value. After that we used curved surface areas formula pi RL. Then we substituted, then just substituting and solving we got the number. I hope you understood. Thank you so much.